Yan doon pala yung tiyaga. May tiyaga pala dun. Oh! Oh! Kapit! Hang on tight! No, you don't need to close your eyes. You're tough. It's okay. Oo nga. Ang taas yan eh. Over there. She went in baseball. Whoa. Did you tell Grandma? Yeah, somebody has to help her, anak. Come on, Julene. I'll pay you. Matamaan ka dyan, mother. Yung Makati dyan, may Makati dyan eh.
Pwede naman niyang iganon sa ano niya.
Oo nga, gawin niya nga.
Ba't ayaw niyang iganon? Ang taas-taas na nga.
Oh, wow! You're so tough. You're tough, girl. I know, you almost hit Jewel. Okay, go now. Habang nandun siya. Oh, you're done? Okay. Do you wanna do it, Julene? Okay, give it to Julene then. Okay, one more. Ang dami naman nakahoy na. Hello, Mikay. Jelana, go now with Julene. Okay, give it to Julene, ha? Ala ko, wala namang oras pa. Pag may time, hindi naman ganun kadaling magputol. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Ready. Oh, wow. Jade! Where's Jade go?
I don't know.
Napana ni Jade na. Oh, she went to Daddy's.
There she is.
Jade, you want your zip line?
Jo, ba't gusto mo pa yung puti naman pag nandito ka sa bahay naman? Yung kulay na may dasang gamitin mo?
Oopsies. Siyempre. Okay, Jelana, come on. Are you ready so you can go up in the wood? Yeah.
Dahan-dahan eh.
No, yes, you can. No, it's okay. I can hold you. It's
Matutumba yan.
that's all right. I'll hold you. Okay. Okay, let's go. Look at you.
Hello.
Okay, come on, let's go.
The fun has fun. I teach her how to do that.
What's that?
I taught her how to go down by herself.
Okay. Today, when did you do the call grandma?
Marilla and Richard, and they're up there, and then Joanna, I taught Joanna. Di ba binibigay yung mga iris doon sa baba? Kunin natin sa Sabado.
Okay. Not in the car, just stay here. You can stay here, it's not hot. You doing your trampoline or you're fine? Okay.
My hair. Oh.
Are you gonna do trampoline? Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, just do it then.
Sure.
Mother, pwede mong kunin yung mga dumi. Just